Good morning. It's a beautiful day on the farm. Going out to feed over 100 birds. Good evening. Next batch of meat birds. These are the Cornish cross. Salad bar for the meat chicks, turkeys. Had to raise the sides on the boxes. Little suckers already trying to fly. And then in a week or two, we'll probably just let everybody start free ranging. Although I'm not sure about the ducks because they don't get their feathers until later. Ducks in their new digs, complete with water feature. Ducks checking out their new water feature, not sure what to think of it yet. So we got all the birds now in the chicken tractor. There's a duck. These are Muscovies all together there. And the chickens, they haven't got zapped by the fence yet, so finally let the gang out of their cage, out of their pen, and interacting with the some of the layers. Now when they see the bucket, they're really gonna come because they know there's food in the bucket. Hi guys. So there's a whole bunch of them. That's not all of them. I got 10 ducks, 10 Muscovies. Oh, here they come. There comes the horde. They're looking to get fed. Hi guys and gals. Got chickens now getting out everywhere. And ducks. I gotta get in here and see if I can find any zucchinis that are half eaten. Oh, there's one. There's some bird feed right there. So there's some that they partially ate. And feeding some zucchini to the chickens. Takes 45 scoops of this. So that's 35. Finally, the ducks are in the pond, floating a little bit. They're like, oh, we're built for this. Here's a message from the philosophical farmer. One thing I noticed is, you know, these birds, especially when they're young, are dependent on me. And they come up to me, and so I have to treat them as I would want to be treated. They're sentient beings, so to speak. And that's a lesson in life, you know. That's the golden rule. Treat each other as you would want to be treated, or treat others as you would want to be treated. That really could actually solve all the world's problems. And you know, going back to my last message, sometimes I had to, well, every day I have to be there, even when I don't want to take care of these guys and gals, so to speak. I've come to enjoy the turkeys, and especially the ducks. These Muscovy ducks are so chill and so friendly and sweet that I just love them. I'm going to process a couple of them, though. Some of you will cringe when you hear me say that, I guess. And I'm going to have a hard time because I've really come to love them. The chickens are just lunatics. But they give us eggs and they give us meat, so they serve their purpose. And I thank them before I process them. I thank them for their sacrifices, you know. And I thank God, or Source, whatever you choose to see it as, for providing. These guys, they have a good life on the farm, and only one bad day, so to speak. But really, it's not even a bad day because they don't even feel it. The way it's done, we do it humanely, and they don't even know it. They just go to sleep. So one of the things we're doing on the farm for regenerative agriculture is we're running a lot of birds also, along with cows and goats, to help regenerate the soil. Of course, most people know that birds' manure puts down a lot of nitrogen and so on and so forth. They also eat a lot of bugs, so we're doing it for bug control and also for meat and egg. In order to follow the principles of regenerative agriculture, and also to kick the hay habit and the commercial feed habit as much as possible, we're growing some of our own food for the birds and for the cows. All of this food can go for the cows and stuff too, but mostly for the birds right now, to get off the commercial feed. Ponies. The ponies over here. Turkeys are starting to strut their stuff. Hey guys, I'm gonna get you fed. And eventually we end up with this. That probably concludes this video. Stay tuned for more as we head over to the garden.